All right, so in this video, I'm going to be talking about the 6 types of market orders, which are buy stop, buy limit, buy stop limit, sell limit, and sell stop limit. While majority of traders make use of buy stop and buy limit, also sell stop and sell limit. Now, not all traders make use of buy stop limit or sell stop limit, which is not bad. But even though you don't make use of it, it's just important you know the meaning and how it is used or what it stands for. And that's what I'll be explaining in this video. So make sure you watch to the end. Firstly, let me talk about buy stop. Now, when you are talking about buy stop is simply when you are buying above the current price. Let's assume that price is in 154.500. Yes, but you've predicted that price on getting to 155.00 is actually going to buy. So you can just place a buy stop there and then find a reasonable place to put your stop loss. So should price eventually get to your buy stop, as you can see, you are tagged in for a buy. This is a very good buy. So traders that make use of buy stop are breakout traders, traders that want to buy above a resistance level or below a support level. On price breaking now, they want to enter for a buy. Those are traders that make use of buy stop. Now, when you are talking about buy limit is simply when you are buying below the current price. Let's assume price is 154.500, but you feel that price can still come down lower, giving you a much more cheaper entry. So you can just place your buy limit. As you can see, price was here 154.500. So you presume that price can come to 154.00 before it actually keeps buying. So you can just place your limit here and then find somewhere reasonable to place your stop loss. And as you can see, price literally came down. So if you place your buy limit at 154.00, you actually be tagged in this trade, and you can see it's also a buy. Now, who are traders that make use of buy limits? Traders that make use of buy limits are traders that buy at fair value gap, or traders that buy at order blocks or at discount level. They make use of buy limits. But when you're not talking about buy stop limits, now buy stop limit is actually different from buy limits, because buy limit you are buying below the current price, but buy stop limit, that limit in buy stop limit is different from your normal buy limit. Now, buy stop limit is used for risk control and to avoid slippage. Now, look at this. Now, let's assume that price is 154. Now, I want to make use of buy stop limit. Buy stop limit is a 2-in-1 order for additional confirmation before you enter the trade. So let's assume that price is in 154.500. You can place your price at 155.00, meaning should price get to that level, you should be activated. Your trade will be activated, but your trade will not be executed. Your trade is not going to be filled until you now place a stop limit price. Yes, that stop limit price is actually the highest amount you are willing to pay, the most expensive amount you are willing to pay. So, and you can place your stop limit price at 155.500. So, meaning that that's the highest price you are willing to pay. So, let's assume before price gets there, price just use a massive wig. There's just a massive spike or a huge spike. Now, your order is not going to be filled because price actually moved too fast. Your broker will not be able to fill you at the exact price if there's just a huge spike in price. So in that way, you're going to lose the trade. Instead of your trade should not be filled at 155.500, but because there's a huge spike, so your trade might want to be filled at 156, which is actually much more expensive and you don't want. So that's the reason we use buy stop limit. It's just to avoid slippage in price. If I should say it, I would say buy stop limit is a kind of advanced buy stop which you want to buy above the current price. So the opposite of buy stop, buy limit, buy stop limit, the opposite of everything is what is sell stop, sell limit, and sell stop limit.